So let's begin by removing the engine cover and then the intake. Now let's go ahead and remove the serpentine belt. Just push the tensioner to your right. Take water hoses out. The water pump has 6 bolts total, 3 on each side. I'm using a power tool, but this is not necessary. You can do it by hand with a regular wrench. It's a good idea to have a clean surface before reinstalling the new water pump. Go ahead and replace the belt tensioner to the new water pump. As you can see, I'm using the bolts to hold the gasket. This will make your job a lot easier. Carefully place that water pump in place, and you can start bolting those both by hand. Make sure everything is in the right place. Now I'm gonna go ahead and torque those 6 bolts to 11 pound-foot, and then for the second round we will do it at 22, all of them. Now it's time to reconnect all the water hoses back. Make sure those clamps are in the right position. Now is the time to take a look and make sure everything is in the right position, everything is safe and connected. Let's go ahead and reposition the serpentine belt.